Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify FBAR readiness with Sovos Compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your FBAR readiness with Sovos Compliance, begin by gathering all necessary financial information. Ensure you have a complete list of your foreign bank accounts. Collect details such as account numbers, bank names, and account balances. Next, log in to your Sovos Compliance account. Navigate to the FBAR section of the Sovos dashboard. Review the requirements for filing FBAR for the current tax year. Confirm you understand the thresholds for reporting foreign accounts. Identify whether your accounts exceed the $10,000 aggregate threshold. Collect transaction history for your foreign accounts for the reporting period. Once you have all required documents and data, start the FBAR filing process in the Sovos interface. Follow the prompts to enter your foreign account information systematically. Double-check each field to ensure accuracy. Utilize any available tools or resources within the Sovos platform for assistance. If you encounter discrepancies, resolve them before proceeding. After completing the necessary entry, review your FBAR before submission. Make sure that all foreign account details are correctly reported. When satisfied with your entries, proceed to submit your FBAR electronically. After submission, keep a copy of your confirmation for your records. Finally, monitor for any notifications or follow-up instructions from Sovos Compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.